Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now, to get started, all you will need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this, and once you have it open and visible on the screen, as I do, all you need to do is press power key and volume down at the same time. It looks like we just need to click them. There we go. So, once you have captured your screenshot, it will give you this pop-up right here, letting you know what the options are. This is just for the first time around, and as you can see, we can capture a scrollable screenshot, we can crop this one, we can tag it, or we can share it. And quickly going into this edit option right here, well, not edit, but scroll option. Once you tap on it, it does it in this most annoying way, so it scrolls in segments. So you don't have actual control over it, it scrolls all the time the same amount. So if you're planning to capture a screenshot, a long one, what I would recommend you to do is overshoot whatever you're trying to capture. And then in here, as you can see, we have this screenshot, there we go. And what you can do is tap on this pencil right here to edit it. And then you can crop it, or is it? Oh wait, it's already visible, it's just not very clear. So right here, you can see we can now grab it and shrink it if we want to, like so. So like I mentioned, overshoot your portion as much as you need, and from there just crop it to the point that you want it to be at and select save. So once you have saved your screenshots, it can be found in your photo gallery. So I'm going to quickly open that up. There we go. And you can see it right here. Now it's just a single screenshot right here, so it's the only thing visible. So there we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.